Hello everyone. Let's start the weekly forecast now. Last week we see some big move happen, especially on Friday, because of the dollars and every single thing. So let's have a quickly look at the weekly time frame now. So now we confirmed the last week when the week was started, even we already find the support here. And then which means there's a very high chance that you're gonna keep pushing up towards all the way to the week fill now. So this is the weekly time frame telling us now. These are the very high chances this gonna be week fill very soon now because we managed to close above week before. Yes, we take the low out now, but we managed to close above, but no top week, which means 50-50 coming on now. So we need to see how we exactly gonna close. Depends on the different brokers. Some really close the top week, some it doesn't. But regardless, whatever broker you work in, you have to go with the flow now. But it's very high chances we're gonna keep pushing up right at the top towards the week fill, which is 5,500, and especially some fundamental is not looking that great for the thing now because what's going on all over the world and geo. Right, looking at the daily time frame now, so we had the support form around here, and now we have the resistance form around here now. Since we have the resistance form again, we did not close with the top wick like I said we on the weekly time frame, so there's no top wick, so there is a concern for us now, but we know after that we got the clean range to go right at the top now. So this is the area we can target in this market now, which is a clean traffic. But this is the what we literally want to target this area now. But we might see some sort of the pullback happen before we're gonna go further up because there's a no top wave. We love to see on the lower time frame. Market should be forming some retracement. Maybe you can see the 4 hour time frame. We should be doing something like this. And then we most likely we will see the 4 hour find the support now. And then this is a good chance for us to look for the potential buyout when we find the support now. So which means once we make the low wick, take the high out, the first chance for us to wick fill, sorry, not wick fill this range. And then if we manage to break out, and then we can expect this market to continue pushing up towards side now, which we're looking for the target area around here now. Again, we moved a lot on the Friday. Now, if you look at the movement on the in terms of the pips on Friday now, Friday we move around overall with this bullish trend now. We are up around like 2,300 pips now. That's $230. So which is quite a lot now. We're definitely looking for the retracement. There's a high chance we're going to keep pushing up, but since there's no top week, it is very hard at the moment to decide where we exactly going to pop up from that point of view now. But it is very high chances we will keep pushing upside now. So that is a daily telling us the story for the buy side. Weekly is already bullish. Daily is bullish. 4 hour now. Now looking at the 4 hour now, the 4 hour does completely same. We got the support resistance here. We got the support around here. We can see the market is start moving up. Then we made minor support around this area before we unleash ourselves for the massive buy. And then you can see the market is literally one direction now, keep moving up, one up now. So we did see on the 4 hour time frame now we close the candle with the no top wick, so which means we cannot execute anything on this particular 4 hour candle. Yes, we managed to close bullish, but there's no top wick. It's a high chance we're gonna keep any direction. You're gonna keep pushing up now, or we're gonna keep coming down now because of the no top wick. So now we can clearly see the next candle move up, and then this big candle. Obviously, the news came out, and we drag ourselves down massive because this is the news released by the US official, which says the tariff which is made by the Trump is knowledge or something, and that means the market is just literally crashed. The dollar becoming stronger, some sort of that stuff, and we see the gold was crashing, and indeed the pullback was due on the lower time frame. What we seen it. So let's look at the 4 hour now. So looking at the 4 hour, we literally do have a chance to keep pushing upside now. So if we look 4 hour, we got this is the level now. So if we place the yeah, so this is the area we're looking for the potential target base of the 4 hour. This is where we break out. So this is around like 200 or more, around 300 pips, 3,000 pips move, so $300. So this is the area we're looking for. It is clean, nice traffic on the side now, but we did move a lot in that particular range. So all we need to do is we're just gonna wait. We don't want to get caught on a pullback on this trend. So once this market make the pullback, And this is where we literally ready ourselves for looking for the potential buyers who are literally waiting for this market to make a pullback. Once this market find the support, we know we're in the buy market on the daily time frame, and then the same time the daily is making the lower wick. Once we find the support, and we are ready to go for a buy now. Same old story like the daily now. We want the market making a lower wick, start taking the high out. The first target will be around here, resistance level. Once we break out, then we can look for the potential go on the top side. Now we'll make sure we try to get these at the peak volume time in the London Open, NY Open, and the Asian session. Well, won't be expecting the Asian session because we need few candles to come down first retracement. So now we're looking at this market should continue potentially pushing upside now. So we're just waiting now. So let's look at the 30 minutes. Now looking at the 30-minute time frame now. So looking at 30 minutes now, we are keep pushing to the top side now. So there's a 30-minute now. We take the out now. There's nothing here now. So now we can see the 30-minute is moving upside now, which is like say 400 pips. So we might expect the 4 hour to come down. But before we come break coming down now, because there's some news already released regarding the tariff. Trump put another 15% tariff after the Supreme Court rule out is 10% tariff is not legit something. So we will expect this market will be open with that gap, and strongly believe it will be the downside because the news, because this is where the news been released and the stuff is happened. And then we can see this market is literally crash on that point somewhere like around something around, let's have a look quickly. So we can see this is a crash around like the 600-700 pips now. So it most likely gonna happen same. There's a high, very, very high chance we're gonna open with a gap now. That is most likely the downside unless something happen on the side now, which gonna make this market up. Any uncertainty, we will expect this market to keep pushing upside now. So there will be the tariff, another 15% additional tariff coming on. So we will see how these things gonna fall up now. We'll see. So that was the news regarding the thing now. So that was the news happened on Friday. So Supreme Court reject the tariff already ruling on the new one. So it's already rejected, but it put another additional 15% tariff on now, and there's some more news coming on in lawmaker pledge more pushback on West security. So that's the thing now. So let's see how the thing gonna be popped up now. But I'm 100% sure there's another 50% additional tariff coming on in term of the. Let's have a look quick news now. So yeah, there you go. So the Trump raising the tariff from to 15 effective immediately now. So that means after the ruling out now. So this is a coming out now. So this is not what happened when the market was most likely shoot yesterday, I believe. Yeah, it will shoot, yeah, Saturday. So now definitely the market gonna have an effect of this outcome as well now. And we will see the market probably gonna open with the gap. I'm not 100% sure whether it's gonna be up or down, but we'll see which way it's gonna go up. Most likely it's gonna be upside. So we will see how we will end up from that particular point of view now. But apart from that, everything look perfect now. Not going on a 15-minute time frame at the moment. So we'll stick with the 4 hours. So everything look picture perfect at the moment now. We do our breakout. We're waiting for the pullback now. Once the pullback happen, and then we are ready to look for the market now and see how the thing gonna work out for us now. So this is literally I am waiting at the moment now. If there is anything happen for us now, and then we probably look for it now. So we'll see how the thing gonna be lined up for us now. So that's most likely don't try here the weekly now. Like again, if we quick look, daily weekly is the bullish at the moment. We're making the low, we take the low out now, and we are going to the upside now. And this is a basically third week now, so which mean we're gonna keep pushing. No, daily is managed to close above, but no top wick, which is concerned. If there is any top wick, we would be in a really good condition, like something like here, we would be in really better condition, so we can expect this market to continue pushing on the daily time frame. No top wick is a concerning point, but we'll expect this market should continue pushing upside. 4 hour time frame, yes, we have a breakout, but the 4 hours moving a lot at the moment. We definitely need the pullback. Once the pullback happen, find the support, we're ready to buy this market. Most likely, I'm going for even the 1 hour time frame. we have the impulse goes on now, we have the breakup happen here, we manage to close above. So this is a 1 hour, most likely the entry was. So we find the support now, we move up now, and then we find break this area. Now we manage the above, we make the big massive pin bar, wick down, take the high out, and we can expect this market continue pushing to the top side, and we can see the market did move. So these are the thing goes on now. So most likely we'll see how the market react, but very high chances we're gonna keep open with that gap. So we'll see for the London session. So till then, buddy, bye bye.